Boy Double Chief, we don't come again for Barakwa Talk Show. It's one where we for the talk, we go talk. When you talk your own, we go talk our own. Today for studio, we get two noble people who will come help us discuss our topic for this week. Our topic for this week now marriages. For here, I get our big sister, Princess Daniela Angel from Manchester. She be one of the people from Manchester we know things. She go see explain to us how marriage they be, how they be, why it can't they destroy these days, why it not be as it be for our parents' time. And on the other side, I still get my Oga who I know before, who I don't show love before to in the past. His name is Mr. Michaels, aka the Zeng 10, who I know before. So now the two people who get for studio, they go explain to us about marriages. First of all, we go start from my sister here, Daniela. Daniela, the question we want to ask you today now say, what do you see for these modern day marriages? Why it be say these days marriage not they last? Any small thing they don't break up. People when they marry today, you go see tomorrow they don't break up. Why? Abi, you get the things where the men or the women not they do now, where our parents they do before, where they make our parents when they last. I beg.
Okay, my people, now good evening.
Welcome, my sister.
I like say this topic now one topic when they sweet me well to talk about because it involves two people.
Yeah.
You know, we decide. Then them agree say they won't enter until they call marriage. And before marriage, we know say like you say these days. Okay, marriage of these days, we say two people before you marry somebody, they do boyfriend girlfriend.
Yeah.
Okay, when you friend somebody, you get bad character, bad attitude. You get a lot of things where you see say, okay, this thing I no like him. But you go from say you love him because of what you want gain.
Yeah, exactly.
I go give you one example. Like for this our society here, say in England, some people they go into marriage because say the wife go work, she go earn money.
Yes.
Lazy bros now, one just he won't sit down for house.
One
lazy.
chill, make the flex.
Making just they enjoy. Say this hardworking girl. If they go they bring money come, then I go just enjoy myself. They do the thing. So by the time when they friend when in they do that thing, she know. Probably they look say na problem.
Yes.
She they enjoy am say because she they friend
the guy.
When they come enter marriage now 24/7 my brother. You they wake up see this person. You know go say today we they get holiday break day.
Yes.
So by the time you see that person don't do that thing from day 1, day 2, day 3, in fact 1 year.
Yeah.
Now madness will start now.
So
instead of you now to come go run mad, now to let the man go. Why for the men's side as well? Sometimes men now how to look say woman fine.
Yes.
Now he make me I won't marry him. I won't carry him as handbag. They show my friends. I marry the finest wife. By the time he enter house, come say this woman no be waiting I want. No be waiting I bargain for. Now they see. Before you know, katakata don't
wahala.
You don't hear say these two people don't separate. Even now, say some people they pretend stay for inside house.
Yes.
They be flatmates, but they call her marriage because everything with them dream. Say na in be marriage, no be in be marriage.
True.
So this is a lot of things there, a lot of things.
But before you continue, make a quick your indulgence for this one. Where that patient come day, that patient our parents they get before. You know, say back in the days for Nigeria, our parents go say, now because of these children, if not because of these children, I for leave you. Our father go say telling our mama say now because of these children, if not be these children, I for leave you. But now there's nobody they look children at all.
Okay.
Children don't be anything
I
again.
go as a modern day girl, as the girl of today, I go answer you that one. The thing we say our parents those days they really get patience.
Yeah.
But patience at their own expense, which means they use their own life, take pay. Some of them died very depressed.
Yeah.
Some people don't live up to the age when they're supposed to live because then they bear them, they're patient. Our parents take a lot when we don't know. Some of our parents get mental illness when we don't know. Say them get. But they struggle with them inside because our society suppress them. But these days, because of say knowledge, they go wild, don't they get more knowledge of these things. That is why people don't get that patience to come crazy.
First.
You they here for
instead they go run leave the whole matter.
Okay, maybe we just leave this matter now. So now where that
instead of me I go crazy because of these children. Because if you crazy, the children go still grow.
They lose two parents. Because one, the papa said when you want to leave the children for, he say you run as a woman. If you get another woman, when you go treat your children right. So if you say the children they miss two parents. So instead of the children to miss two parents, why you not just carry your bag jejely?
Make it be only one side.
Yeah, as if you say you want to do your own lifestyle, make me they do from corner. The children will go love them together.
Yes.
Just co-parent. Now they do these days. That is why we they feel say the patients go. Yes, there's
but you support that co-parenting. What do you think about this patient of a thing? You think say we go feel adjust them a little bit because as it be now, you know what I mean.
Yes.
Back in the days, our parents, our father, our mother will catch our father with woman. They go settle him one kind.
Yes.
Even our mothers, my grandmother go say, now only woman you catch him with, that not be problem, provided they not bring her come house. But nowadays, woman could just see man for town with woman. A husband just saying with woman, they talk. If you don't know that anything to do, you could just reach house, begin to scatter before you know marriage don't break.
Yes.
That one not be over rush. Or what do you think for that one?
Okay, that's one to get it gets two sides. If you marry man where you say you trust, whether you see him with woman they sit down they gist for inside your on top of your bed safe.
Yeah.
If you trust them in the first place, you don't get anything to worry about. That one not supposed to bring problem. But you they talk go the reason why this one they complicated is say some men now just them be I don't know what I will call them because if I call them
you
dogs,
call them dog.
No, if I call them dogs, no, if I call them dog, na normal. That one na
dog.
It don't na name.
Dog.
It be like make you for Nigeria.
But you find what is strong past dog.
What pass dog?
I know.
So some men they that one are their way of life.
Yes.
Some women we they created differently. Our strength different. When would they take things?
Yeah.
As for me, I no go say okay because this man they cheat make I tell him well done. If he come house I will come they kneel down give him food they do on undo. What if I do the same thing when they do? In go take him.
Yes.
You see, I put myself in that shoes first
question.
before I treat another person bad. So if my man feels say yes, this woman if I do this thing go hot and she go waka leave me, you know go do am. But those days our parents the reason why they take him. You see, what thing they take bring you up, what they don't take tell you, be like brainwashing.
Yeah.
They don't tell you all your life. Say this is normal. You go take them as normal.
Normal, not true.
Even,
my sister, I go cut you short for them small now. Make I meet our guy for a year now. Make you explain to us. I go come back to you. Get one question where I go ask you. But first of all, I go say make our guy make it talk whether he agree to the things where you don't talk because if you talk, so I dey see and say you dey as a modern day girl. You don't want to talk am like say women self not the feel too stress again. Like say now we the men the stress the women be. If I reason waiting you talk, I will come back to you. But first of all, make I ask my guy, what do you see for the matter? What did they make marriages not the feel hold water? You know the whole water again these days. Unlike those time. Small thing now, they don't correct. Your friend when you go in house yesterday where they live where you go to the don't break up. I be alive and Danella. Everywhere. So it don't be matter where we say we get to talk, we get to help ourselves. What did they cause this thing? I've been with the men. Good. Now I know they hear word again. I've been at the women. They don't stop on. What's be the problem?
Good. My people, welcome again.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Welcome again. This is a new subject matter. Marriage. Marriage. Marriage now school when person they go when you know they get degree.
Yeah.
There's no PhD or any masters for you.
Yeah.
In fact, you learn every day in your marriage. Why? Two people when grow up different environments, different environments, different
upbringing.
You put them together in one house now, and people expect them from the first day to be happy.
No, not be like that. You dey get them wrong now.
Wait.
But not be from the first day. These are not people who don't friend themselves.
Yes, now.
As my sister talk now.
Boyfriend and girlfriend,
Yes.
not the
As
friend
my
that you
sister
don't see
talk
back.
now, not be the first day. Oh. These people don't friend themselves.
Boyfriend and girlfriend is a different ball game.
Yes, because the problem we get now, say when it be boyfriend and girlfriend, the thing is sweet.
If I make a give an example.
I be my sister.
Yeah, you wrong. Come out.
In fact, no.
Yeah.
Make I even give an example. Long time ago, when we come this country, me and my friend will travel go hall. You get one family when they don't live for hall. We see them all. They have they have a 19-year-old. They get 19-year-old girl daughter, but they never married. They were living as partners.
Yes, they
not married
together. Yes.
everybody, their friends, everybody comes say,
That's
this
years
couple,
old
they
picking.
talk about this couple. No, they
Yeah.
get other children. They talk about, but they get the first child na 19-year-old. So
Yes.
they don't stay together for 19 years when we reach there.
Yeah.
Because when they get batty, we go. Small. So people come push them to marry. You won't believe it. 2 weeks after they married,
Voila.
they scatter. They stop to talk to each other.
So does it mean
So this
so
one
that
I'm
name,
yes,
marriage,
yes.
the problem there?
So this one
Now the
I'm
name
not
be the
this
problem.
one I'm not
and
trying
not
to
the
tell you. No,
things.
this one I'm not trying to tell you.
Mm.
That's now why you get girlfriend and you get boyfriend.
Yeah.
You no go ask you see where they go throughout your boyfriend girlfriend matter. The day una marry,
Yes.
as you dey comot house, where are you
You
going
going
to?
to. And that one don't be new ones.
So now that is the new philosophy in the house. So are you seeing how things are changing gradually?
Yes.
So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying is this. You see, in order for marriage to work, this is my own definition. People say na fairy tale, but I believe say na true. I've seen a lot of people do it. Two people need to come together for no other reason but say they like themselves physically and they like their attitude.
Yes.
If I come meet you because of who your papi or who your this be or the right
Which
now,
a lot is
the-
based on
yes,
now.
and which a
Yes.
lot is based on now.
Now, yeah.
That girl now my
Material,
spec, now
yeah.
my spec, now my any other thing when you go, when the girl get pimples for face, and not be your spec again. My brother will been there.
Yeah,
Go
voila,
tire
will
you.
come.
And again, my ladies, my good advice for peacing at home is this. If you were a size 10,
Yes.
Make you remain
when your
sustained.
husband marry you,
Please.
May you remain size
I
10.
beg.
Tell them oh.
When you born 5 children, come remain size 10
No.
for us. Make
Abi.
we go carry
Okay,
belle for 9
sister.
months, then born
Okay.
5
now
children.
Thank you,
now
my
women
sister.
dey talk. But me they tell you now wetin dey keep peace. Because if I marry size 10, if it reach after I born, if it reach size 12, manage to 14.
14.
But when them they go 16,
You don't
18,
get as it be. But there's
Even
a lot
Mr.
of lies
Larry-
in the eyes of the
No,
beholder.
but-
Be not be so they say.
Did my brothers, my
You
brothers,
don't
my
love your
brothers.
wife.
my brother, likewise too, the man. Woman marry you, you fit.
When I don't see beer
The
belly,
woman, the woman,
belly,
the woman they hail you.
beer belly.
The woman they hail you, say, man, look my husband. You don't know sometimes the woman they tell her friends, say, man, that my husband, come. You don't be like all those other men. All of a sudden,
You just call the blow up.
no.
But not only that one. Not only that one. Now it be the thing.
Make we not deceive ourselves, my brother.
Now shape. Now beauty really.
I fit
If you
come
know,
in.
if you know what,
I beg,
Yeah,
I
thank you, my
if
sister.
you know
Fine.
what, if you know what your body be,
Mm.
you see this body
Mm.
is the computer input facility of your whole system,
Yeah.
your spirit and your soul.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
don't joke
What
with
people
your
they
eyes.
see?
Don't joke with your eyes.
What people they see?
Yeah,
They
don't joke with your eyes.
understand.
See.
Yes.
They go
I
tell
want
you
What
to-
people they see? They get
I-
to see and good. That
Good
make you say
down.
you get to look
You
good
go
so that they go see
go
you.
release- and there's a
You
concept
go
they
look
call
good.
endomy. If I see my woman, as I said, and the
Body go do me gre.
But if
I
like,
know.
anyway,
I know.
See, brother,
My sister, yes.
as a woman, he mentioned
From a woman point
something.
of view.
He mentioned something about size. Some men they
I
get
just
them
talk am
wrong.
as man.
Yes.
You talk am as man. You know when you see woman. I go use one friend of mine as example. Na guy him be then they date one of my friend when we dey grow up. I can't tell her and say, look, this babe, when she born one pikin, she go be like say she born 20. So babe,
Yes.
what you say she go remain like this.
Yes.
You will just like slim girl. She just slim. Now it isn't a joke. Few years down the line, they really married. They born 2 children. We see that my friend, she dey full chair. She's now she dey size the whole.
Okay.
Ain't gonna complain.
Wahala.
Why you dey you see yes now because some people
They
women
blame
dey
pikin on that thing.
wait no wait make I
So
know.
that they blame pikin.
No be
put.
pikin.
No, but pikin.
The body
na the
go
major.
expand you.
Pikin are one of the major.
Pregnancy comes
Yes.
with a lot.
Yeah.
You eat a lot of things that
Exactly.
you pikin fit make you now you go just begin chop what you never chop before.
Yes.
A lot of things happens to your body. But the thing be say when it happen to you as a woman, me na woman, I dey talk as a woman, I take care of myself. I know what not to eat. If this thing today make me get as it be okay, I go eat am, but I will go gym the next day, go burn calories off my body. Then during the week, I get the way I dey count my calories. Not be because of say I won't do them for somebody, for my own
Own
health.
self. Yes.
For health reasons.
Yes.
So sometimes make men not to, but if you too worry your wife, go reduce weight, go, you know, you can push her. If in fact that stress self go make her even add more weight because depression even make you eat more. Especially some men, they don't even help the woman around the house. They just believe, say, now my wife be that.
Yeah, exactly.
Do everything.
So why
Make a quick read. I go quick make una make a quick read. Waiting, person write to us about men and women. He said those days, why it be say now women they keep home during our parents' time, but this our time now. Now the men they even they keep the home. This one are the research where we don't get most recently. That be that from our emails and this is what we receive from married people. They go tell you, the men go tell you, say now them, they even make their home work now.
Yes. And
you know, women, all they do, they don't care for that one again. That one not join their business to make home work. You know, like our parents as it be before. Many things change. Yes. What change those things? Now computer, now knowledge, now too much knowledge.
Can I ask something before we go? It's the best thing. Now the best thing will happen to mankind.
What be that?
Make men run.
See men now.
Now they run.
See they get to run house.
That's how it's supposed to be in the first
It's
place.
supposed to be like that from day one.
But the thing they make, but the thing gonna make some men be like houseboy too. You know, say this. You know, say now the matter where they talk. No matter the you know, say back in the days for home, we go see some men. Men don't they when we small. Where they run home, they do things for home well. You don't stand up in now.
You think define what you mean by running home?
No, make I use the correct word. Not be running home. I go use the correct word like say, you know, for Nigeria, as we take grow, where this our panel they do anything for house, like you talk. Say maybe we help our wife for house. Don't say you talk. Okay, for Nigeria, our parents, our fathers only do that one that time. But even at that, we still get some men who still they do
most
that.
Most of our parents, you say, because my own papa they do.
Okay.
Yes.
At that time, you know what they call those men? What they do? When they say the women use juju,
hold them.
They hold them.
So society don't already now define those people as people that use juju.
God bless you. We don't grow now. We can't say those things not be juju. Now love, oh.
Now love.
No say when love hold you, it was past juju.
Tell me about it.
Now him.
You dey talk am.
But now, because of that love, don't come in play where people want keep home. The women will come change them. Because you get with our professor from Cross River. You know what she tell us? She tell us, say, those days, we women, they try to protect. They protect things, like they protect home. Say now because of the fear. Say they don't know until they go meet for outside.
Yeah.
Say now the fear they get. Say, but now,
everybody know
they don't get the courage, say, they don't know what they outside. They don't know. Say now, single mothers don't even the rain now for Nigeria. Nigeria, single mothers don't.
Make I tell you, make I contribute to what they try to. You see, women these days, it be like say that fear of waiting there outside, especially society now. Be say women, you know those days, our mothers now only to take care of home. They know.
Yeah.
If you even want come out go work those days as a woman self, they look your husband somehow say, why she want go
why
work?
Should they work? Yes.
For waiting now.
Yeah.
Even the few women where they do like buy and sell those days, they go market. You know, as community don't gossip tire.
Exactly.
Every time she they travel, who know what she they
go
do.
They'll say they sleep with mom and they go do business.
So those things, those days, hold them together. But these days, nothing like that in the society anymore. So women now they go school. Not only men, they go school. So the same school where you go, now me go. You go read your book, make you go work. Me too go read my book, make I go work. Yeah. So if we want work, make we do 50-50. Make it be say the thing they, they balanced. If you want work 9 to 5, me too I want work 9 to 5. So we need to look for this. That's why you see a lot of men now don't wake up say, okay, not be only say you go uni, I go uni, I graduate. At the end, in today's money now in England, say at the end 100,000 a year, and your own now 24,000 a year. Yeah. Who you go prefer make you go work and who you go prefer make you stay house? You want because say you be man, you want your ego.
No, the big salary.
Not the big salary.
But the bad thing,
it will come to both of you.
No, but the bad thing where did the matter be say now. That big salary from the woman will not the same again. No?
My brother, marry your wife. Marry your wife. When you marry woman, will not be your own. Yeah, this is where the problem lies. You marry them because of something.
Make her quickly read another thing from our professor again about men. We could come this country with their wife. You know, women now, usually because of men, we like to hustle to keep family together.
Yes.
First of all, we'll say the woman go start school. You know, so that the mistake they make with that, the biggest mistake.
Go on.
Man and woman go come because you they work, you they hustle. You say, me your wife just they go school first. Children they go school, you they hustle, they make everything. When that same woman when you sacrifice for go school finish, she don't come house, she go change her for you. First of all, mentality don't tell us say na different level. I don't. Our mentality don't tell us say na different level. She don't go school. you not go school. She don't change her for house now. Now when they talk for house, the next thing you go to hear and say, I you tell understand. You not go know what they talk about. You tell her say, do this thing for me because if I explain to you, you not go know. I you tell no. Now see finish on the come. Madam, I lie.
No, you don't lie.
I come in there.
Oh God.
Many years ago, I remember when our parents they come study here. I remember it used to be all those my aunties. I used to listen to them those days when they used to tell stories. And the story those days was about women when they cry, say, I sponsor this man finish.
Yes, the man can't leave me.
Sponsor this man finish. Can I go America? Especially those ones when they travel go abroad. They go see the man.
Leave me. Yeah.
That was the story there. Towards the 80s, those men started bringing women now.
Because then don't balance. Then don't balance now. Because they bring women.
So they're going to bring women.
Payback time.
They're going to bring women. Women now. Can they get sponsored to see the next guy in the place and go. Funny enough, I wrote that point here before you even said it. You see, my brother, what happened to me, it happened to one. And this I look at it. Because today in my friends, most of my friends now, they all have these broken relationships.
Yes.
And some of them are not even talking, say, men, they're not going to marry again, say all the women are bad.
Yes.
But men, they tell them, say, no. Now, because in our realm, where we did, this kind of thing is happening now. So I said, okay, make we sit down, see what will be the common denominator. And through me and some guys, we don't really sit down, assess many things. What do we and everybody have in? Why is our whole home? This kind of thing like this? What's the problem? They will come see one of the common denominators. Most of us are in with women who have just been free.
In with women
who have just been free.
Yes.
Can I say
free from?
Can I say what to do?
I understand it.
Can I say what to do?
Okay.
When I came from, now I'm talking about myself.
Okay.
The first mass migration was men.
Yes.
I remember in the late 80s, 90s, we came from UK. We came from Nigeria to this place. Large quantity during the school riots and everything.
Yeah.
So everybody was coming. Now, what our father sent us wouldn't have done it.
No.
Because we discovered freedom. I was free from home. I was earning my own money. Nobody's telling me what to do. I cannot earn. I cannot do what I like. I can come home when I like.
Yeah.
Now, the girls of, and I know what I did then. I know how wild we were.
Yeah.
Me and my friends.
If not for the grace.
Now, the ladies of today, it's not that they feel like that only. They are now free from the stigma of their mama. When their mama deal with their pa, even the ones who get money, you're not going to say that the mama get the business.
Now they are part
But
of the
now, girls can come here, they go and work. They get as much money as the man.
Yes, even more than the man sometimes.
Get a car. Get the children. Please, this is what they thought now. What do we need this man for? Now, once you have that small thought in your mind, you can still stay with your man, but the day your man start to do something that you don't like, it is quick exit out of the room, out of the door.
Okay, make our just pause it small.
Yes, he make one point about freedom. Yes, truly. You know where would they come from? Our society for Nigeria. You know how women they very oppressed and suppressed.
Yes.
Freedom, no, they most of these women when they bring come here, some of them they don't see 99. The man, if you be said when they you know some men bring their wife from Nigeria, which they don't marry for Nigeria.
Yes.
Don't live together. The man can't come here for greener pastures. Then when he don't make small money, he make him bring his wife. But one thing when the man don't forget, all the nonsense when he do since 19 to redeem no days.
He did the man.
He did woman mind. As she just reach your queen, just tell and say.
Now you get power.
Now you get power.
You go say I go put pepper for
you
this
know
man.
revenge. Now one thing we be say make person no hold you for mind. Now be that suppress when I tell you say our parents suppress that time. If they give them chance, they will do worse.
But the woman way woman for mind like that now wish you. Woman way una don't marry. No, Daniela Mugu talk the truth as a baby.
The truth now they tell you. So my brother,
you
always don't do and witchcraft since.
So forgiveness not in your mind.
Wait, you they live am for house. She go sleep house. She don't know where you did. Sometimes some men, I they hear them. God make her no experience them. They go say some men go out 1 week, they never come house. Wife don't even know where they. Sometimes you go even call him phone self. Now your girlfriend go pick say madam, he there with me for now. Waiting they worry you. You go come, she go. She no get what to do. Okay, you can't expect say the place where that emotion they go, you think say na hole she dey drop am.
No.
Na inside body.
Yeah, but why she don't talk say she don't go do again? Why she
Okay,
feel wait?
now there we dey
Why she
come
don't
to
talk say she don't go do? Why she
No.
don't talk say she don't go do?
The shame
When things
first.
don't give her mouth.
The shame for Nigeria, first and foremost, you will become single mother, which no be better name to bear for
Yes.
our society, especially if you're in a small community. They go first shame her. Don't marry, don't divorce, marry, don't scatter.
Yes.
So she dey wait for you. Say one day, you can't go get drink. You can't come abroad. You can't carry her come.
Say go punish you. But that na wickedness.
My dear
That's
brother.
so we class that
Yes.
one. Oh. That one because na man. If man, I tell you how man they do. If man, woman show man pepper. If man not forgive, he not forgive be that. But if man tell the woman say, I forgive you. Now so it be.
Now it make the call us man and woman. So there's woe and there's man.
And again, you see, I just thought of something. Our society scorns love. Our society don't like love.
We know they promote
culture.
love.
Our society,
Our culture
yes.
no promote
Our
love.
No, we
society,
promote love.
No,
when
we
I'm
don't.
that
we don't
way.
promote am.
No, we don't
Our
promote
society
love.
they talk love.
No, we don't.
But they don't know. They know they allow love to flow.
No.
My guy, if I have the neighbor, Sean, my friend, I can never forget his dad. So tell this man, heavy doctor, everything. There's nothing this man knowledge. But we grew up seeing this man always at home. The wife now get big posts, they work. Now the woman is paralyzed, for one of the accidents. The man is the one who is there with her now.
Yes.
You see, when I used to go to this people's house, there was something I used to see in their father's eyes that was not in my house. Now, as I got my own relationship, I knew what I used to see in that man's eyes. The man loved his wife pieces.
That's it.
He loved his children pieces.
But you know, say sorry to cut you
But
short.
you know what? I remember saying some of the neighbors would curse this man.
Say now you
Woman,
But this man
Well,
is
well,
well
well,
read, my brother.
yes.
You don't need to
He
work.
knows
This
what
man
he's
is
doing.
confident in himself. That it's the small things that he makes to just survive. That's all he needs in his life.
love your wife, but your wife love her like that.
Yes.
But the question.
Of course.
Okay. Okay.
That's what
that
I'm saying. The
one
wife was working, but we
Another
You know-
she paralyzed, so we never really.
Okay.
Okay.
Like make I contribute to what you just talk about that man now. Like somebody like that man, loving wife, and she loved him back. There is no make she come back and talk say because now she they go work bring money, come they won't boss her man. Some women get that mistake. Oh, I don't see her. Woman where they go because now she they bring money come house. The man go ask and say, honey, water don't finish for fridge, oh, Coke don't finish for fridge, oh, may we buy her plate. She go talk all the life history. Tell her. You see, but when you love somebody,
No, nature. I'll come to
wait,
that.
when you love somebody, see their flaws, they disappear. Anything will go make them ugly. When people they see, say this person and this thing make her, you know they see her.
Yeah, it could disappear for the period of time where you take love that person.
Yes.
I want to make you understand. So you know, say love the end, they expire. You know. Now our research with that. I want to go ask you now one question now because we not to get many time again.
Okay.
Time done very low. Some cut and short now, more good all that. But first of all, before we go, I go ask you now say. Now research today they talk. We don't know already, but we go ask you now. Now money be love. Which role money they play inside marriage?
It makes it more comfortable.
Money only go make things not hard for you. You
No,
fit
it
buy
just makes
food.
it more
Now just the comfort when money they bring, you say you
That's
fit
the
buy
only
anything where
thing.
you want. But any other
but
thing,
research-
you know,
research
wait.
show say
Listen to me.
now
Money-
money
yes,
be
that-
love. Now be everything.
Wait, now money makes marriage more
Quarrel not
comfortable.
a day.
But the disadvantages of not having money is far outweighs the advantage
Yes.
of being a
You know, say when woman
I
catch
agree.
big man, be a husband will be big man, catch am with woman, no go fit talk.
because she go give her money. When they talk say, why you carry this woman? The man say, I buy you this one. Why you carry your house in this? You know, you
That money.
that one.
Where money dey,
that
it
is
go
not
hard to
love.
manage
But
to
you know
break.
that is not love. That is no.
See,
The
the
one
one
that
where money
don't break
not,
does not mean there's love
the
there.
woman will not leave the man.
See, the one
she
money
happy.
not there.
The woman will leave the man, she happy.
the one wey-
Let me tell you something. The woman will not leave the man, is worse than the poor man's wife.
That
when
is
stay.
yes.
but the truth of the matter be say when money dey, it dey hard for home to break. Statistically.
So you they tell me now, say
No,
make
no,
we
they
justify, make we
It dey hard.
just
No,
they hard.
except the man is
It's
fed
a
up.
worse pass.
No, when the
Then they
man,
worse.
no, when the man
So-
don't tire. What are they tell you now? Say woman no dey walk away from money,
Nobody walk away from money.
except
man
the
know
man
they
don't
walk
kill.
away from money.
Now they talk. I say when money dey, when the man gets so much money.
Or the woman get money.
But now you
No,
don't-
when
you
the
don't
woman
marry-
get money,
now you're
No,
coming.
she
you
feel
drive-
frustrated.